Well, how's that look? Oh! My live reaction of I forgot that was there. Well, I look like cute in it, right? Okay. Woo! There's these. I don't want to open them yet. Yes, I do. Girl. Not this again. Okay, hold on. 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 Okay. Woohoo! Ah, it comes in. The lightning adapter is sold separately. I'm sure. Magnets! Ah, magnets! Love a magnet. Okay, wig. It connects directly to the camera. I know. Is this it? Girl. I'm Roxy Andrews and I'm here to make it clear. I know you love me, baby. That's why. Yeah, okay. Testing done. This was cool. I got myself a little microphone. I made a mess over there. Oh my god, I have this thing for my brother's GoPro because I was gonna like use it. But it fits here. My room. It fits the entire mirror. Oh my goodness. Dominique Jackson. Hey girl.
So big, your dry lip.
Oh my goodness. Well, have fun. I keep forgetting that the thing's right there. Okay.
I swear.
Money, I need more. Get it, watch me go. I be out doing these bitches, I'm like Michael Daisy Doe.
Okay, we're going to class now. How's my hair? Ugh. Whatever. Well, this is the outside. I don't even know what's going on in class today. I even read what I did the homework. Like I read on the, what's it called? The thing where you walk on. Treadmill. There's someone behind me. Okay, this thing just tumbled out of my pocket, like. Hardcore mode. This is the last time I'm walking to my car after class. Dude. It feels, it doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. But, dude, when I start crying. Wait. I need to get something to commemorate this. Now I gotta pay for my Whataburger teary-eyed. But that wouldn't be the first time. It is a new day. What day is it? Let me clean the camera. Oops, wrong side. What day is it? It's Thursday. And oh my god, I had my last class last night. And it was so emotional for me. Oh, I was so sad. It was so bittersweet. I was so sad. Anyways, my mom's making taquitos. And then here's the binky. Hi, beautiful little princess. Okay, I'll see you later. You just stop.
I will not give you what you want.
Oh my god, content farm, perform. I'm gonna munch on this burger.
Baby's first master's regalia.
First master's regalia. Okay, we're at the wall. We need my height. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. Wait for it. Get your mom. Here we go. It's fully stocked right here. Who's shopping right here? Look at where it's empty. Empty.
First of all,
empty.
Not everyone's this tall. Let's be real. Let's be real.
You need something? Oh. You get my high heel. Me on the box. So this is just any of them?
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Couldn't you just use the one from the Bachelors?
No, because this one has like crazy sleeves.
Oh. Yeah. That's how they get you.
Yeah, that's how they get you. Big graduation. Big education. You know what else is big?
Oh.
Where are you going? Wait, what are the colors? What the hell do I buy?
It's orange.
Why hoods? Okay, I guess I have to read. Is it a choice? Is it?
I think yeah.
Okay, we just found it. Mine is a Masters of Arts Master Tassel Color Block.
Cool.
All Masters, period. Girl.
Girl, there's this one right here.
I just wanted to see. No, I look
Oh,
so
oh!
dumb,
Now
huh?
we want to see the regalia.
Oh.
Because as I previously stated, we didn't have a book.
Dude, I didn't. Okay, now we need a white one. Let's get this one. It was just stocked. Orange one. I hope you have a happy life. Okay, 6'3". Wait, what's my height?
You're just annoying.
Okay.
Are you gonna get the cap or are you gonna reuse?
Oh yeah, the cap.
Reuse the one from your. I think you can just reuse.
I have
the
it in
one
my
from yours.
car.
Yeah.
I guess I'll see if it's like wrinkled.
It's not like your head grew.
I don't know about that. And then this pay to win like decoration, like I could just get it. Girl, let me buy it from eBay. Okay, is that all? Oh my
Is
God.
that all? Oh my god.
That's all the drag I need.
That's it.
Let's buy this and leave.
When he's a graduate.
Dude, and
6'3",
I'm not.
master's degree, tall, brown, buff, mustache,
Thank
little
you. Your
earrings.
boyfriend. We have so much time. Oh my goodness.
In the sweltering heat.
In the sweltering Georgia heat.
We really are sun and moon. Both graduations have been in the summer, and
they
mine have
have.
been in the winter.
Wow. That's so fitting. Where are we running to?
We're like.
Where are you
the,
waddling to?
Where the Bronco statue is.
Aye. Well, good luck, baby girl. I'll leave you at the Bronx Trail.
I have to work. Oh, now we gotta work.
Aye.
Now we wanna work.
I love being in. Look at your friends.
Why are you like obsessed with me?
We are. We are.
Wow.
Okay, bye, Sherry.
Okay, bye.
Manchester from Milan, that's a monster do. Monster Giuseppe Hill, that's a monster shoe. Young Money is the roster and a monster crew. And I'm all up in the big with my funny face. And if I'm fake, I ain't know this cause my money ain't.
Girl, I'm home. Let me get into this home gig. Gonna see Brooklyn Heights, B Heights, the B Heights. Love calling her B Heights. How's my hair? B Heights, B Heights, B Heights. What? Careful with the laser. Oh yeah. Like, hi. Where's the mic part? Is it this part? It's this part, right? Shoes are bloodstone. Jeans are.
Oh, what's that? What are we doing? Hi, everybody. Welcome to Santa Diabla. Sarah T here. We got Brooklyn Heights today.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm that one.
What's going on the streets, Sarah?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on. We're just here.
No sé. Of course. In her natural habitat. Oh, the little backdrop with some texture. Orange is the new black. Ah! I look at the screen and it's all like dead pixels. You were looking at it a little too long. I was like, wait.
It's because I was.
Girl, what do I look like? My hair's still like settling after being in the shower, I think. Right here, I need like a little spirit. Pretty cute. Okay. You look gorgeous! Yeah! get into it. I came prepared. Oh, Canada. Girl, I was ready to do so. If you wanted me to lip sync, I was ready to fucking do so. Hey girl, gorgeous. Oh, you're just a dream. Oh. Can we do a prom pose? Yeah. You're a titan. Love you, love you. Thank you, Brooklyn.
Make the noise for the one and only Miss Brooklyn. Hey! Yeah. Let's go. Hola, Miguel! How are you? It is my first time here. I am having an absolute blast. I love Texas. And y'all are so wonderful, and thank you for having me. Are you enjoying yourselves this evening? All the gentle creatures. I love it. Well, I'm gonna go get ready for my next number. Thank you. We have a fantastic show for you this evening. Are you ready for the Divas of McAllen, Texas? All right, now, here we go.
Turn it on! Wow! We're coming home from Brooklyn Heights, the musical. Dude, she is so fucking good. Like, you can tell that she runs a nation. She was here as a delegate. You fucking oh. What was that? James? Jorge. See? Thank you, IHOP, for everything you've done for me. We're out in Burlington for fun, and I feel like we're transvestigating right now. Great jar. Ooh. Cancer Pride. Oh, wait. Thanks for coming to my art show. Here is the obra that I made. Isn't it beautiful? I'll be going for...
Perfecto.
Sure, sure.
You're ugly and you're showing your true colors.
Soupy! You feel better. You feel better, Soupy.
Go. Let's go outside.